Hey guys, okay, so this is going to be a super fast, just little mini tutorial on how I do my cat eyes. So we're going to be using the Nail Couture Space Kitty cat eyes, just two of them to show how I do it. And see, they're really gorgeous. These are really, really easy to work with. And then I bring in my big, giant, double-ended magnet that will be linked below or it's on my website. You want a nice, thick layer, but not too thick. But you want to put a decent amount on there so you have enough of the little magnetic pieces, particles, whatever you want to call them, on there so that they can move pretty easily. And then you just hover your magnet really nice and close wherever you want to push the particles away. So you look at it like it's going to repel the particles from where you put the magnet. So wherever you want it to get moved from is where you're going to hover your magnet. So I kind of always kind of have this little S figure on my swatches. So I just hit it in those spots to move the particles away from my magnet. And you'll see how easy this is because it's a super strong magnet and these ones move beautifully. And gosh, they're just gorgeous. So yeah, just cure in a full 60 seconds or whatever your particular cat eye gel prescribes. And look at how beautiful that turns out. Like so easy, so easy. We're gonna do it just once more just so you can see it again with the second Space Kitty gel here. And side note, I kept the actual magnetizing part at regular speed for you so you could really see how it is in actual real life speed. Same thing, you just want to get a nice decent coat on there. It's got to be pre-covered. You want to have enough particles move around. Grab our big giant magnet again. You can use any magnet for this, but the stronger the magnet, the easier it will be. I particularly like the round ones so that I have more control over what shapes and movements I can make versus like the square and rectangular ones. But however, if you want something more mild or less clearly like shifted, then you might want to use a weaker magnet. It's up to you. But yeah, that's one I use. It's really, really strong, really, really quick. And these cat eyes just make it even easier. So, I mean, I love this color too. This is like has, 4 or 5 or more colors in it too. It's hard to see it on this camera, but I'm like trying to show like all the different color shifts. But you can see how clean too. It just like moved the pigment in so quickly. So, anyways, guys, that's all I have for this very, very short, tiny, hopefully helpful little tutorial on how I use my magnet and cat eye gels. And if you guys want to know where I got my magnet, let me know. And otherwise, have an awesome day. Bye.